So, this is going to be like a hotel room tour video. And we decided to keep everything in its natural state. So our room has not been cleaned. Our beds have not been made, although Fleur did make her bed so we could film on it. But this is how we've been living. And
it's pretty ridiculous.
Yeah.
Like, it is solid beauty stuff, clothes.
Yeah.
Like, everywhere.
Oh,
everywhere.
I didn't introduce you guys. How did I forget that? Okay, so this is Fleur, or Fleur de Force. You've seen her in my videos before, all the way from London. And this is Allison, or Amarix. So make sure you go and subscribe to both of their channels because they're awesome. But I'm just saying that because I'm on camera and I have to.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
We hate each other.
I know. So this is just going to be a tour of our room. Keep in mind that the room is very small and there are 3 of us, 3 girls. Plus all of our shopping.
Yeah. A lot of shopping. A week's worth of shopping as well as travelling.
Yeah.
Although Allison definitely came with the most amount of luggage.
Yeah,
but that is entirely valid because as I packed, I was like, well, I'll bring full-size stuff. Like, I'll bring full-size this, full-size that, just in case anyone forgets anything and they want to use mine. Ingrid loses her bag. So that absolutely worked out. And
okay.
And then, like, my hair dryer, I brought the hair dryer, and no one else brought one.
Oh, yeah, it worked. I mean, it worked out.
I overpacked for a reason.
No, it did work out, and ironically, that I lost my bag when I said I've never lost a bag before. I should have knocked on wood when I said that. Yeah. But
it arrived.
Yeah.
A few days later it came.
Yeah, just a little bit later. But, yeah, I guess we will just go ahead and jump into the tour now. Hopefully it's not too shaky, so.
Yeah, keep in mind that we are in a really small room.
Yeah, just remember that.
Really small room.
Okay, so here we go.
Ta-da!
Outside of our hotel. So that's the building, and it keeps going up.
It doesn't look great with from here, but when you walk into that archway at night, it's so nice.
Maybe I'll try and get a shot at night. Okay, so here is our hotel at night. We love the entrance at nighttime. It's our last night. I'm sad. Fleur can be the model. She kind of like disappears into an abyss of darkness. Okay, so this is our door. Nothing too exciting really. It's just a door. So we're oh my gosh, look who it is. So this is kind of a general overview of our room. Our phantom TV over there. That's a story within itself. So this has kind of become like my little makeup corner. That's my makeup right there, and then my face wash and all that.
Every morning
and my water
spreads.
Yeah.
It takes up the whole corner.
Yeah, I take up this whole corner and then I have to put it all back in my bag. So that's like my little nook. And then here we have the bathroom door.
We need to do a demonstration.
Yeah, so people can see how close we have become. So, you can basically see through the door Fleur's silhouette.
Oh, should I leave the light on?
And then here's the bathroom with all of our stuff. Remember, this is our room in its natural state. We have not cleaned up anything. So
I feel like we should do like what's in the bathroom.
I know. We should do like a what's in our hotel shower / bathroom. So this is Allison's stuff over here. She has like everything. Yeah, Moroccan oil, Batiste dry shampoo, which I actually really like. Her Redken, what is that? Hot sets?
Hot sets.
Yeah, hot sets. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, I knew that. The Kenra, why am I blanking? Hairspray. And then I think this is MAC
oil.
Yeah, eye makeup remover. Yes to Cucumbers makeup wipes. This is amazing. I use this when I lost my luggage. The oil-free acne wash.
Is that Allison's too?
No, that's mine. That's my MAC Cleanse Off oil. This is Fleur's.
I have the miniature stuff.
Yeah, Unite, Listerine.
Deodorant.
It's
not very exciting.
Oh, that's like the same one I have.
I like it.
Yeah, it smells good.
Eye cream.
Toothbrushes. eye cream. My
toothbrush is
Clarisonic.
also, like-
Update on the Clarisonic. If you guys follow me on Twitter, my skin is a lot better. So I like my Clarisonic now. I'm past the skin purging phase. This is John
3 days
Frieda's
straight.
3 days straight, which I really want to try. Allison's full-size nail polish remover. My curling iron. Allison's curling iron. My straightener. We have stuff down here.
I feel like this isn't a safe place to keep all of these electricals.
Yeah, probably not. And then that's Fleur's bag. What's in that one? The red one.
I think like contact lenses and back pain relief and stuff like that. That's like stuff that I
Yeah.
don't use every day, just in case stuff.
This is my dry shampoo, the big sexy hair, which I really like. It's actually invisible. And then my Tresemme heat tamer spray and Allison's bag back there. And then toilet. This is our shower, which has half a glass wall door. It's not even a door. It's just kind of a half wall. It's not really
keep the water
it's
in.
really not a good design because even if you point the shower head in the opposite direction, water still splashes out and basically floods the floor. So let's go in the shower here. Do a little. Oh, it's wet. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to stand in the dry spots here. So this is the shower. This is Fleur's Clarisonic. This is Allison's. Wow, everything's just kind of like all over the place.
Everyone's is totally mixed up.
Yeah, this is Allison's Paul Mitchell conditioner, the lavender mint.
Is that good, the lavender mint stuff?
Yeah, I liked it. I used it when I lost my stuff. This is Fleur's.
XXX for men. Original source shower gel.
And then this is Kerastase.
Yeah.
What is that?
Chroma Riche mask.
Okay, and then razors. This is my shampoo. I just put it in a travel bottle. This is Pantene's Fine Hair Solutions Flat to Volume shampoo. This is Fleur's Aveda Scalp Benefits shampoo. Fleur's LMS Peachy Perfect Gentle Face Wash.
That's good.
This is my Lush It's Raining Men shower gel, which smells amazing. These are the hotel toiletries that came in the shower that we don't use. I did use the body wash the first day. Yeah, it was actually not bad for a hotel like body wash. This is Allison's Twilight Woods shower gel, her matching shampoo, which is also really good. And then this is my conditioner, which is the Pantene conditioner that matches the shampoo. And then
A loofah.
yeah. There's another thing we'd like to show you guys. Our bathroom door. So, let's look at the doorknob here. This is a regular doorknob or handle, whatever you want to call it.
This door is even bigger than the other doors.
Yeah.
This is a big
This is our bathroom doorknob. Let's try and close the bathroom door.
door. Don't chop your hand off.
Okay, you can barely close the door without like pinching your finger right there. Look at the space between the wall and the doorknob. That wasn't a very good design. I'm just saying. So now moving on into the main part of the room. We're on the 6th floor, by the way. I kind of wish we were up higher.
Yeah, so we could see more.
Yeah, so these are the beds. This is Fleur's bed. This is the closet. Not too much in here. Some shoes.
Everything's out.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't really utilize this.
I did.
Yeah.
I put my suitcase up there.
Okay.
That was considerate of me, saving space.
Yeah. Very efficient. The safe. And then my coat, Allison's. That's yours. And then this is Fleur's. I love this. That's Fleur's also. And then an umbrella.
Some shoes.
And some shoes. So that's not really too interesting. This is like Fleur's corner over here with Allison's like massive.
First corner with Allison stuff.
Yeah. Basically.
Fleur's corner.
So that's Fleur's stuff right here. And then that's Allison's stuff. And then
The
this
beginning
is
of
just
Everyone's stuff.
Everyone.
yeah, that is just an abyss of madness.
Of laptops.
Yeah, cords,
and-
like electronics, beauty products. I can't even begin to go through all of this. So we're just gonna do. Oh, this is my nail polish though. I really like this color. This is Hard Candy Sky. It's a really pretty light blue color. Oh, these are the little gift bags that Fleur brought for us, which was really nice.
Show me a mug.
Oh yeah, my mug.
I just saw it.
Yes, she got me this mug because I love curry, so this is perfect for me. Yay! And then this is my laptop bag over here. Oh look! Look whose book it is. This is
I recognize that scruffy hair. From
yeah,
somewhere.
even though it's not actually his head, but this is the book I'm reading. Yeah, I think he said that it's not like actually his. It's like some random guy's head. But I'm reading Josh Sundquist's book while I'm out here. I'm actually only on like page, what? I'm not on page 51 anymore, but my bookmarks are never on the right page in my books. But
I finished it and it's good.
I'm on like chapter 8. Yeah, Fleur read it. So I will link his channel down below if you guys want to check him out. He's really, really awesome, and we actually got to hang out with him while we were here in New York. This is Allison's stuff and her like
bought little like baskets to keep stuff in.
yeah,
So organized.
I know. Although I don't know how organized all of this is. I'm not sure if that worked out too well, but in theory, it was, you know, it worked in theory. So that's Allison's stuff. That's her camera. That's some of her makeup. That's my phone. That's my gift bag, which is on its side from the Beautylish event. It is so heavy. There's so much stuff in here. So that's, some of it fell out. This is my disaster over here. You can see my kitty pajamas, my millions of nail polishes. I have more nail polish. I've told you guys before that I overpack nail polish. I have more nail polish than days that I am actually in New York. So as you can see, it's a problem. This is my bag. That bag back there is just my dirty clothes because I like to keep it separate from the clean clothes in my suitcase. There's the bag that I just showed in the haul because we're trying to film these all together. My scarf, blah, blah, blah. Nothing too interesting. So this is Allison's little corner, and there's a sock right there. Nice.
No, the one sock.
Yeah, just one
that's
sock.
Not mine. That's the other side of the room.
Nice, Allison. So Allison's boots, Allison's gift bag, and some more bags, and ooh, M&Ms. And
Steal.
yeah, her other boots. And then this is the view from our window. Today is not a nice day. Yesterday was a gorgeous day, and today is kind of blah. So it's really cool. It would actually be nicer if the trees weren't dead down there. Well, I mean, they're not dead, but they don't have any leaves on them.
The hotel is nice.
Yeah, the hotel is really nice, so that is the view from our room. Do we want to tell the story of the TV? Really quickly?
Oh my.
Ghost TV. Okay, so
It's unplugged right now.
Yeah.
yes, Fleur and I don't know, we were just sitting here talking. We were talking about news, and all of a sudden the TV just came on and started talking about news. And then we shut it off, and then like 3 minutes later we were talking about like terrorist bombings. And the TV came back on. We didn't press anything. The TV came back on, and it showed explosions, and the guy was talking about like, you like to see things blow up, like action movies or something, like explosions something. And then I think we left it on that time because we were so freaked out about it, and it shut itself off like 30 seconds later. So Ingrid, I think she had like stepped out of the room. She came back in, and we told her about it, and I think she was kind of just like, I don't know. And then we're in here, and like 5 minutes later it did it again, and it keeps coming on and turning off, and it did that like all night. And then we were getting ready to go to bed, and it was like 1 a.m, and we were like, well, hopefully it won't do it. And we all like get in bed, and
We're like all snuggled in.
Lights are out.
Fleur's passed out.
Yeah, we're laying down for like
I'm like,
yeah. And we're laying down for like 30 seconds, and it comes on, and every time it comes on, it blasts the volume too. And we tried muting the volume, we tried turning it all the way down and then turning it off, and it resets the volume every single time. So we'd be laying here, and then it'd just come on and be like, "Rah!" like really loud.
Yeah, so then we had to have like the tech guy come in.
Yeah.
Which was
We're all
really,
in bed.
yeah, we're all in our pajamas.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was so.
And we're like, yeah, we're all in bed, and we're just like, yeah, can you fix it?
But the weird thing is, his excuse was that some of the controls have been like rolling under the bed.
You can't roll.
Yeah.
Nothing can roll under this bed. Oh, look, there's the other sock. There's no way.
Yeah, no.
There's no way anything can get under here unless it
The
can.
weird thing is, this is the control, but before that day, we hadn't had a control in our room. It was only that day that the controller turned up, and it was sitting on here, like that. There's no way that we could have pressed anything, or,
So, our hotel room is haunted.
Yeah,
but
we've come to that
conclusion. We're leaving
conclusion.
tomorrow.
Yeah. So the next people can have the ghost.
Starting
Oh, look
from-
at our makeshift little curtain here. That's actually Allison's scarf that has been here the whole time, so we would have room for my stuff.
MacGyvered that.
Yeah, we've definitely like utilized the space in here minus the closet. But I mean the storage is actually really good because there's drawers underneath the bed. So there's 2 drawers in every bed. So
And then it was there too.
yeah, drawers
There's
here.
a closet, yes.
And a mini
And the
bar.
room came with an iPad.
Oh yeah.
which
Where's
is
the
really cool.
iPad?
In my hands.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So it's really cool. The iPad actually is like your way of ordering like room service and making like a reservation in the dining room. So you can like just go through, make your wake up call in this instead of like the traditional like menu and call the front desk thing. You just do it all through here, which is really cool. And you can like add things to your mini bar through here. Like this iPad is registered to your room, so they know like what you're doing on it. And so there's like, you can get like a face mask or something if you want in your mini bar, toothbrush if you forgot it, just order it through there. Oh my gosh, the toothbrush is $20.
What?
And look at that toothbrush.
That's like
extortion.
that's like not
That
even
is-
that's not even a standard toothbrush. That is like
Yeah, that's like a piece of plastic with
Yeah.
some bristles
Bristles.
on it.
It's like the IKEA one.
Yeah, but you can get like, there's one that I noticed.
$20.
A bike. You can request a bike
How
for
much is the bike?
$2,300.
Is that a flip camera too? Oh, what is this?
Flip video, yeah.
I need to not touch the iPad because anything. I'm a BlackBerry.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a BlackBerry user, so anything I touch that has I in front of it just doesn't work out for me.
Yeah, so.
That's the iPad. I like this little notepad.
Apart
Stop
from the fact they
talking,
didn't
write
put a
it
new
down.
one in, it still had the doodles from the last person. Look,
What are they
I may have ripped it out actually. Oh no, I didn't look.
doing? Some math.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Interesting. Nice.
As you do.
Okay, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you go and subscribe to them because they really are awesome, and I'm sad that we have to leave. I don't want to leave them. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you all later. Bye!
Bye!